Everyone, I am Somnath Banerjee and this is our project Openroot GDrive Automation System. Today one of the most common problems users face in Google Drive is managing large number of media files. These files often come with random and inconsistent names, making them difficult to organize. So our solution focuses on eliminating this manual effort through intelligent automation. As you can see here, the folder contains multiple images, okay, with unstructured naming. Instead of manually renaming each file, which is time consuming and error prone, we use our Chrome extension. So this extension integrates directly into Google Drive and works within the current folder context. Okay. Within a single click, the system authenticates using a Google Oath and begin the processing the files. In the background, the extension reads the file metadata including the creation timestamp and the available date information and generates a structured naming format. It also ensures that the original file extension, such as the JPEG, or it could be PNG or maybe MP4 for video files, are preserved. So there are no risk of file corruption. As you can see, all the files now renamed in a clean, consistent and chronological format without any manual intervention. Now let's take this a step further. Okay, I am adding some other media files. Okay, there is a video also, so it will give you a structured idea. So when I run the extension again, okay, so it does something important. It intelligently detects which files have already been processed earlier and skips them automatically. Okay, so if I run it again, you can see that it is renaming 5 files. That means it already skipped the previous renamed files. Okay, this ensures that the system is efficient, avoids redundancy and scales well for continuous uses, right? So while the current system focuses on deterministic automation, it is designed to be easily extendable. In future iterations, we plan to integrate Google AI services such as Gemini to enable context-aware and semantic file naming, making the system even more intelligent. The solution is already built, deployed, and ready for real-world uses. Thank you very much.